Hey everyone, I just kind of wanted to set this video up a little bit for you. It's kind of a quick little deer hunting video. It's of last season, blacktail hunting in Western Washington. The season itself, as far as 21 went, didn't really go as planned as far as getting out and getting some footage. You know, kind of had high hopes last year of having multiple tags in different seasons and maybe getting some extra footage, get some more footage for you. That didn't really work out. Um, you've seen the elk footage that we have is already out. It just didn't get out as much as we had hoped to, or I had hoped to. And same kind of happened with deer season. I didn't make it over east of the mountains to hunt for mule deer. So I stayed over on the west side and hunted blacktail, and actually only had to go out one day, which that's not a bad thing. But I got over there this morning, or this morning of the hunt, a little later. Spotted this buck. He was about 400 yards away across the canyon, and I was by myself. Got the camera was on a tripod, so I got it set up and got it on him. I wasn't really totally sure what it was going to see being that far away. Didn't know how good the zoom was going to be that far out. But actually, you'll see you end up seeing him pretty good. But he does kind of walk out of the camera view a little bit right as I take the shot. But anyway, like I say, a quick little video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with whoever you can. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks.
I don't know what got on film there. Got here a little late today, but got into the spot I wanted to get into, and just got up to this spot and I was glassing across there. He's over on another road. I'm gonna have to go over there. It'll take me a minute to get over there, but 400-yard shot. It's a 2 or 3 point, I'm not really sure. It looked like a good buck. I'm pretty sure I hit it the way he was running. He ran into some trees right there. Hasn't come out. Yeah, pretty hopeful that I hit him. We're gonna have to drive around. And then walk in that road. It's a gated road a little bit farther up the canyon here, but it's not too far into there. And if he's laying right there, that'll be a good pack out since I'm by myself. Oh man, hope I got him. So let's I'm gonna look over there for another minute or two. But yeah, we got to get out of here and get over to that side. So hopefully I got him. Alright, so I don't know how much I got on camera or how well you could hear it on the other footage, but I did just shoot a buck about maybe an hour ago. It was a 400-yard shot. Pretty sure I hit him. I watched him. He turned, and the way he was running, pretty sure he was hit. Pretty sure he went down. He went kind of into some trees and didn't come out. This is a gated road. I was across the canyon on another road and spotted him across. He was just feeding by himself. Watched him for a bit. Had to get on him, make sure what he was. Had to turn up the scope a little bit, make sure what he was. Nice looking body, beautiful body. But anyway, he's about, I don't know if it's even maybe a mile in here, not quite. I don't know if it's even that far. But anyway, pretty sure I hit him. I'm excited. I don't know if I'll be able to. This is kind of a little bit of an uphill, a little more hill than I thought. I thought this was fairly flat going in. This is a pretty good uphill deal right here. So I don't know. We'll see. See if I can drag him or not. Otherwise, it'll be a cut-up job. I am by myself down here today, so I'm gonna have to get her done. But pretty sure he's down, so I'm pumped about that. Hopefully, we'll have hands on here in maybe 5-10 minutes. So I'm excited. Hopefully I'll have some more footage here in just a minute. Folks, I think we have a dead buck. I think he's laying right there. Right hand side of the road right here. Little 2x3, maybe a 3 on, no, it's 3 on both sides. Little 3 point. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, thank you. Yes. Little 3-point. That is awesome. Oh, man. Fantastic. Beautiful looking deer. Yes. Shot him from right over the top of those trees. You can see a road over there. There's a landing right out here. Actually might be right in there. And he was just right up there. Shot him, he turned and ran. Dead right here. He ran, man, probably 20 yards. And perfect. Alright, hopefully you can see him good. Not sure exactly where the camera's at. Point it up a little bit. Got him. Heck yeah. Little 3-point blacktail. Looks like he's been doing a little bit of rubbing. He's got some stuff around the base of his horns. Nice healthy buck. Oh, feels good. He's actually not too far in behind the gate either. Got a little uphill right here and some nice downhill for a little bit, and then another little uphill jaunt, but we'll give her a shot dragging it out at first. But yeah, feels good. He didn't go very far. So yeah, awesome. Very quick. Won't waste any. We'll wait till we get them opened up, but looks like the shot was right in there, so shouldn't be any meat wasted. Gonna be good. Gonna be good eating deer. So excited. Yep. Now let's get to work. Or I will get to work. Get them opened up, cleaned up, and we'll get them out of here. Get home.